It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. The season of peace is finally here. When family and friends and neighbors come to call, bringing love and Christmas cheer. It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. The lights on the trees shine so bright. Hear carolers singing from house to house. Silent night. Oh.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and in today's video we're going to be decorating for Christmas. So as you can see, I already have the Christmas tree up and decorated with my four littles. It was just easier to decorate that off camera and take my time to do it around the chaos and fullness of life with four small kids. So that is going to just be there, and I'll show you some close-ups as we go along. And then I have some decor that I've made already set up just because it was easier. I took down our family sign, and I'm going to decorate behind here on our shoe organizers because this is where I decorate mostly. And then I'm going to give you some cleaning motivation as well because there is a mess on the dining room table like usual. And then I'm going to sweep the floors and maybe get to mopping them. So let's get started on the decorating and the cleaning motivation. If you are new to my channel, I am a homeschool mom to four. Like I said, I have an 8-year-old, a 6-year-old, a 3-year-old, and then a 7-month-old. So here on my channel, I share a homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, sensory bins, and more. So if you like that kind of content, definitely hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and stick around. And don't forget to like this video. But let's get right into it. So here are the decorations that I have pulled from my Christmas bins that I'm going to put over on the shoe area. And then I have a mess on my dining room table that I have to do. I need to clean the floors and need to organize the books over here. I didn't really put out a lot of our fall books, but I want to go ahead and start to put out our Christmas books soon. And then I did put a few decorations over there. The old tin that I found, I think it's Norwegian or something. And then I made that sign there just to add the festivities. And I think I'm just going to leave that like that so it functions for homeschool this year. Oh, and I did add that holly jolly sign up there. And then over here, I added the balls into our garland that we've kept up all year, and there is lights as well, and I made those candies. I think it's fun. Home sweet classroom. But yeah, then this little guy wants to say hi. Say hi. He's eating crackers. Do you want to eat more crackers? Do you need more? Do you need more crackers? Can you say crackers, please? Say cracker. Say crackers. Hello. Say hello. I am going to put on some music as I decorate, but first I wanted to mention that this is a collab hosted by Sarah over at Pancakes and Pandemonium. And on her channel, she shares homeschool, cleaning motivation, shopping hauls, and more. So her channel will be linked down below along with a playlist because this is an open collab with a bunch of other content creators bringing you lots of Christmas content today. So check out the playlist to get into the Christmas spirit here in November.
Holy night, see mistletoe hanging in the doorway, inviting a secret stolen kiss. It's a wonderful wonderful, heartfelt time for everyone on earth to reflect and reminisce. It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. See children skating merrily in the square. Smiling boys and girls with faces all aglow, waiting for Saint Nick to appear, to find their stockings loaded with gifts from their list. All the children of the world. Soon they'll believe that wishes do come true for every good boy and every good girl. It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. The happiest time of the year. The joy it can bring to everyone, young and old. A joy to last every day of the year. A joy to last the
I'm going to be ending this video soon, but there is a few more things to tackle. I am sweeping up my front entrance area. This area, of course, gets quite dirty and tracks in a lot of dirt onto the carpet because this is where we come in and our shoes are dirty or muddy and life happens and the dust collects. And tackling this spot, getting it shipshape again, and I'm going to go ahead and vacuum the carpets. I didn't get to mopping in this video, but that will be for another time. I hope that this video inspired you to get your cleaning done for your week and maybe inspired you to pull out your Christmas decor too and get started on that, or gave you ideas for when you're ready to do that. Definitely don't forget to check out Sarah's channel. Her channel will be linked down below, along with the playlist for more content creators bringing you Christmas inspiration, Christmas vibes, getting you into that holiday spirit. I know that I am excited to go ahead and check out the playlist and feel all the Christmas vibes and get even more excited for Christmas. So check out the description box for all of the information to get more inspiration and more Christmas content along the way. That is all for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel if you are not already. I would love to have you join me here on this journey of homeschooling and cleaning motivation and inspire you along the way. Definitely turn on your notifications because I will have some more cleaning and decorating content coming your way very soon. I'm going to be decorating for Christmas in my kitchen and setting up a Christmas play area in my living room and switching some things up in our living room play area. So you don't want to miss it. And I'll have lots of Christmas content coming. I will be doing Vlogmas or attempting Vlogmas. So definitely stay tuned and join me here on my channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.